Hi all you plant people. Today we're going to take a look at a plant called Sansevieria. It's called Sansevieria, it is called mother-in-law's tongue, it is called snake plant. Wait a minute, why do we like to tell you the Latin name of a plant? But back in 1753, a Swedish botanist by the name of Linnaeus took it upon himself to assign a two-name label, I guess, to every single plant in the kingdom. Why do we do this? Because if you go to Bora Bora and you want a Sansevieria, or you go to Warsaw, Poland and you want a Sansevieria, you're going to get the same plant. So that's why it's kind of nice to know the Latin name of your plant. So how are we going to take care of these guys? Sansevieria are somewhat like succulents in where their leaves will hold water. Because they hold water, they need to be watered very little. If you can put them in a clay pot with a hole in the bottom, the drainage in the bottom, and water from the bottom, it's all the better. Because the water comes up, it draws the roots downward, giving you a stronger plant. Just like cactus and succulents, your soil for this should be a very light mix. A succulent or cactus soil works well, but anything that is well draining will have your plant growing well. It's a very forgiving and tolerant plant. They like to be root bound. If you are going to try to keep them within a certain size, go ahead and let them be root bound. You don't have to replant these every year. If you do replant them, in whatever house plants you replant, never go more than 2 inches bigger in diameter of a pot than what you're taking it out from. It is also one of the top 10 plants for purifying the air. And these plants should be kept clean. So wipe the leaves clean. They have a very flat surface. There's nothing here that, the dust will just settle on this. So wipe your plants with a soft cloth. Wipe your plants with plant wipes. Just keep them clean and keep them happy. They tolerate low light, but the brighter indirect light will make them grow faster and stronger. So however you want to keep that plant going, low light, medium light, bright light, it pretty much adapts to any place in your house. So that's what I have on our Sansevieria. Join us next for who knows what. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more from us, leave a comment below. Be sure to like us and to subscribe. Thanks. Have a great day.